Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Disle, student of the Bristol Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on technical topic that is introduction of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance refers to the science and activities related to the detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing adverse effect and any other drug-related problem. Its main focus is on drug safety and ensuring that medicines are used in a way that their benefits outweigh the risk. PV plays a crucial role in improving public health by monitoring the safety of pharmaceutical products and mitigating risk associated with their uses. Key objective of pharmacovigilance is identifying adverse drug reaction, evaluating the risk benefit ratio, minimizing risk, ensuring safe and rational use of medicines, preventing harm. Uh, First is identifying adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction are unwanted or harmful effect experienced after the administration of drug at normal dosage. PV system aim to detect ADAs early and ensure they are reported, investigated, and communicated effectively. Second is evaluating the risk benefit ratio. After drug is released to the market, continuous evaluation of the market, evaluation of its safety profile is essential. PV monitors the benefit of drug relative to its risk, providing updated safety information to regulators and healthcare professionals. Next is minimizing risk. Once potential safety issues are identified, steps are taken to minimize the risks. These could include ensuring earning, updating drug labels, or in extreme cases, recalling a product from the market. Next is ensuring safe and rational use of medicine. Pharmacovigilance ensure that both healthcare providers and patients have access to accurate information about drug risk and benefit, promoting its safe use. Next is preventing harm. PV works towards preventing harm to patients by detecting and responding quickly to potential safety issue. This may include preventing harmful drug interaction, inappropriate dosage, or prescribing the wrong medication. Activities. Next point is activities involved in pharmacovigilance, collection of data on drug safety and signal detection, risk assessment and evaluation, risk management plans, regulatory interventions. First is collection of data on drug safety. Data is gathered from various sources, including clinical trial, healthcare providers, patients, and regulatory authorities. Spontaneous reporting system such as those operated by national regulatory bodies allow healthcare professionals and patients to report adverse effect. Next is signal detection. This involve identifying new safety information or trends known as signals that may include potential drug-related problem. Next is risk assessment and evaluation. Once a signal is detected, the next step is to evaluate whether it represents a true safety concern. Risk assembles are conducted by analyzing the frequency, severity, and preventability of the adverse event. Next is risk management plan. RMP are developed by pharmaceutical companies as part of the drug approval process to address potential risks associated with the drug. Regulatory interventions. Regulatory authorities may intervene by updating product labeling, restricting use, issuing safety alerts, or in clear cases, withdrawing drug from the market. Sources of pharmacovigilance data is clinical trial, post-marketing surveillance, spontaneous reporting system, pharma studies. Importance of pharmacovigilance is public health, regulatory compliance, informed decision making, patient safety. Challenges in pharmacovigilance are underreporting of ADRs, data quality and standardization, global harmonization, resource limitations. In conclusion, pharmacovigilance is essential for ensuring that medicine are safe for patients and that any risk associated with their use are identified, communicated, and managed effectively. By monitoring the safety profile of drugs continuously, PV helps in safeguarding public health and enhance the trust in medical treatments. This is all about the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.